100 word per minute dictation. General matter. Get ready. Start. India is a country with a tremendous vitality which it has shown through its history. Stop. It has often enough imposed its own cultural pattern on other countries, not by force of arms but by the strength of its vitality, culture and civilization. Stop. There is no reason why we should give up our way of doing things, our way of considering things, simply because of some particular ideology which emanates from Europe. Stop. I have no doubt at all that we have to learn a great deal from Europe and America, and I think that we should keep open our eyes and ears, and we should be receptive, but I have also no doubt at all that we should not allow ourselves, if I may use the words of Gandhi ji, to be swept off our feet by any wind from anywhere. Stop. Para. We should approach these problems, whether domestic or international problems, in our own way. If by any chance we align ourselves definitely with one power group, we may perhaps from one point of view do some good, but I have not the shadow of a doubt that from a larger point of view, not only of India but of world peace, it will do harm. Stop. Because then we lose that tremendous vantage ground that we have of using such influence as we possess in the cause of world peace. Stop. What are we interested in world affairs for? Question mark. We seek no domination over any country. Stop. We do not wish to interfere in the affairs of any country, domestic or other. Stop. Our main stake in world affairs is peace, to see that there is racial equality and that people who are still subjugated should be free. Stop. Para. For the rest, we do not desire the interfere in world affairs, and we do not desire that other people should interfere in our affairs. Stop. If, however, there is interference, whether it stop. It is with this friendly approach that we look at the world. Stop. It is not for me to criticize other nations and their policies. Stop. But I do not see why India should act in a rigid way or should become a part of the maneuvering that is going on the world. Stop. We have to keep aloof from that and at the same time develop the closest relations with all countries. Stop.